Hello students, today I am going to explain class 10th poem Dust of Snow, and it is written by a very famous American poet Robert Frost. Dust of snow here means the snow which is having a very small particle, very smaller and lighter as dust. It is a very short poem students. It has only 2 stanzas with 4 lines each. Let's start the poem. The way a crow shook down on me, the dust of snow from the hemlock tree. Let me tell you here students, the poet is in a very bad mood. It is the season of winter. He is sitting under a hemlock tree and a crow is sitting on top of the tree. Now here the poet is saying that the way the crow shook down the dust of snow on him. When the poet was in a bad mood, he was sitting under the hemlock tree. The crow from the branch of the tree shook down the dust of snow on him. The hemlock tree is a poisonous tree. Now here the question arises, why did the poet use the hemlock tree, whereas he could use any other beautiful tree or the banyan tree or any other tree, but he has used the poisonous tree here. And the bird, he could use the beautiful bird, he could use the peacock, but what did he do? He used the crow, which is a bad omen. But here he has used these both things to specify the sadness of him. Now let's come to the next stanza. Has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of a day I have rued. Rued here means held in regret. Now here the poet is saying that the dust of snow which is fallen on him from the branch of tree has revived him, has energized him, and his sadness is changed to happiness. He is feeling happier, and he is saying that happiness, that change of mood has saved some part of the day which he would have spent in sadness. So now here the poet is very happy, and here this poem is used in enjambment. Enjambment is a continuation of sentence without any punctuation marks. Here you can see students, there is no punctuation marks used in the whole poem. So that's why we can say it is enjambment. The rhyming scheme of this poem is crow. It is rhyming with snow, and me is rhyming with tree. So the rhyming scheme here is A, B, and the figure of speech used here is alliteration. Alliteration is repetition of consonant sound 2 or more than 2 times in a sentence, and here has and heart is coming here. It is a consonant sound. Now let's have a quick summary of the poem. Now here, it is the season of winter. The poet's mood is very spoiled. The poet's mood is very sad. He is sitting under a hemlock tree. Hemlock tree is a poisonous tree. And as he is sitting under the tree, the crow from top of the tree drops some dust of snow on him. And as the dust of snow comes on him, he feels it on his body. The mood from sadness changes into happiness, and he is revived. He is very happy, and that happiness changes his whole mood, and he feels that due to this happiness he has saved some part of his day which he could have spent in sadness. So here the moral is, everything can be inspirable. We can be inspired with even a little small thing. So we should be always positive. I hope you all have understood this poem very nicely. Thank you very much.